Welcome! In this video, we will walk through the steps to use the EL Classify tool with the In-Sight L38 device. The EL Classify tool is a game-changing tool that can use a small number of samples to accurately categorize and label objects that have even the slightest physical variability. For example, this tool is effective at classifying whether an item is good or bad, preventing bad parts from being shipped to customers. Before we begin, make sure the L38 device is powered on and In-Sight Vision Suite is open in spreadsheet mode with images in the film strip for the EL Classify tool to categorize. This film strip will be looking at two blocks and classifying them by height. You will find the ViDi EL Classify 3D tool in the tool panel on the right under the 3D ViDi EL heading. To add the tool into the spreadsheet, you can either click on a cell in the spreadsheet and then double-click the tool, or drag and drop the tool directly into the spreadsheet cell. Either process will assign the tool to the spreadsheet cell. This will open the 3D ViDi EL Classify property sheet. First, look for the Box 3D parameter. This will create a region of interest of the general area when using the Classify tool. Double-click on Box 3D to return to the point cloud window. The tool will automatically assume an ROI, but we will create a new region that is customized to the part. First, we will select the top view perspective cube to look at the part from the top. Then click on Quick Drop Region and click and drag to create a box around the whole part. Be aware that the ROI you create will only show in that space. Note that if the part tends to move in the scanning region, you will have to fixture the part with a separate pattern match tool. Click the Accept button to confirm the region placement. The tool window will open again. As you are loading the images to the film strip, check the Collect Samples checkbox for the Classify tool to learn. Open the Show parameter and select Result Graphics only from the drop-down menu to see the results. Next, go to the Train tab at the top of the screen to add your classes. For this video, we will be adding OK and Not Good classes. Click the OK button when you have finalized the classes. In the spreadsheet, the number under the unlabeled cell will increase as more images are collected. This will take all the labeled images as part of the sample for classifying. Double-click the ViDi EL Classify tool in Spreadsheet and go to the Images tab at the top. A table with two columns, labeled and unlabeled, and two rows, one for each class created, displays. The projection mode available showcases the variation in the heights of the cubes. We can clearly see the difference between the equal and unequal heights in the thumbnail. Drag the thumbnail images into the appropriately labeled column. For example, drag the good images into the column labeled OK. If we return to the film strip and collected more samples, you would see that the unlabeled images automatically start predicting which classes they should be in. It is recommended to have at least 5 images per class to have good accuracy. To check the tool's model performance, review the model health indicator at the top of the table. The higher the percentage, the more confident the model is that the images are classifying correctly. A good way to validate the model is to label a few images from the film strip and then add more images to the film strip to see how accurately it predicts the classes. Returning to the spreadsheet, the information shown displays the model health, the number of classes created, and the class and confidence score predictions for the part. Thank you for watching.